Tornador ceramic paint correction using foam pads. Thoroughly wash, clay, rinse and dry vehicle before any paint correction. Use Tornador ceramic polish and 7-inch polishing foam pad. Ceramic polish can be used as a standalone product or as an excellent choice for preparing any vehicle surface for ceramic coating or detail spray application. For the final step, use Tornador ceramic detail spray and 7-inch finishing foam pad. Only a couple of sprays per panel are needed for adequate coverage. Ceramic detail spray is one of the easiest ways to get ceramic protection. It can be used as a standalone, with the ceramic polish to aid in removal, or as a ceramic coating booster. It delivers exceptional gloss and slickness to the treated surfaces, along with unparalleled surface protection. Ceramic detail spray can be used wet or dry.